Yeah.
You don't have to videotape me.
Alright, so here we go. This is outfit number 1. It's a real sleeper.
Honey bunny.
Cassie, do you want to say something?
Honey bunny. Yay.
Alright, so this is outfit number 2. And she's still sleeping. You can see it's a little bit big. Because...
Nothing in there.
yeah. Alright, here's outfit number 3.
That hat is a little bit big. And gotta show her butt.
You can't see it.
Hold on. Hold on. Wait.
Alright, there we go. Alright, so here's the last one. A nice little tie-dye outfit. Because she's the grandchild of hippies. It's far out, man.
Hi, baby.
She's like a total space cadet.